Hang on one second, guys. 6.2 miles in depth. Are you serious? All right. Oh. USGS said there was let's see if they sent a tweet, which they did not, and they normally do. All right. Said there was a 5.3 near the east coast of Honshu, Japan. They've got it at 6 miles in depth. They got it 66 miles southeast of Takahagi. All right. EMSC, what can I say? They had it at a 5.7. I started it with a 5.5, upgraded it to a 5.7, downgraded that to a 5.3 near the east coast of Honshu, Japan. They've got it at 24 miles in depth. Let me pull that up. I still have it. All right. They had it at a 5.5. I copied that, got that. They have it now. I had it at a 5.7. All right. And this is one heck of a downgrade. Okay. And now they've got it at, let me refresh. Come on. Now they've got it at a 5.3 near the east coast of Honshu, Japan. They got it at 24.8 miles in depth. They've got it 60 miles southeast of Takahagi, Japan. All right. I'm going to have all this in there. It will all be in there. And the reason they had it, let me copy that, put it into the notes. I got to keep all these notes straight. Okay, let me get to EMSC. Paste. Is that it? EMSC, yes. Hang on 1 minute, guys. Sorry. Keep saying sorry this morning. I am not awake. I had a rough night. My husband's had a rough morning. So I'll pull the tweet up and put it in there. I forgot to put it in, but it's there. All right, so now we're going to go to GFZ's page, and they've got it at a 5.5. GFC's got it at a 5.5 at 6 miles in depth, all right? Australia's got it at a 5.7, guys. I've got that link in there also. Let's take you to this closest volcano, which they're saying is green, normal, dormant. Let me show you the location of this earthquake. Okay. It is the big circle in the middle, right there. These are all the volcanoes they're talking about. All right. They're green, normal, and dormant. I'm waiting for disaster alert to pop up. There they go. Opening up disaster alert. It's just been a rough night. And a nice rough morning. Just going to go ahead and switch over. All right, let me read this. An earthquake of magnitude 5.3 at a depth of 6.2 miles has occurred 107 kilometers east-southeast of Takahagi, Japan, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. All right, let me just get this. I am not on my game today, guys. I only had an hour's sleep. disaster alert, and paste. All right. Come on. Don't do this. Come on. Disaster alert USGS EMSC upgraded, downgraded. 5.7 is there. 5.5 is there. 5.3 is there. GFC's got it at a 5.5. All right. I have been trying to pull up Japan's earthquake center and see what they've got it at, just out of curiosity. And I'm going to do that right now. .6. Japan's got it at a 5.6, guys. Let's open that up. I can't pull it up. Seriously? I don't know if I can enlarge this. It's not going to let me copy. It won't let me copy Japan. I'll put the link there so you guys can check it out, though. Come on, copy. Copy the link. I can't copy the page. Japan, yeah, we know. Japan's got it as a 5.6. Let me put Japan underneath disaster alert. Japan's earthquake link. There we go. It's not going to let me enlarge it, and I tried to copy it. It wouldn't let me copy. All right, I don't know why. I have no clue. Japan's got it at a 5.6. All right, so let me go here. I wish I could enlarge it so you could see it, but I got the link in there so you can check it out. This business of got to pull up EMSC. I forgot to get their tweets. Open up, open up, open up. There it is. Open. Copy. I did get their web page at the 5.7, but I did not get their tweet. Australia. Paste. All right. As I showed you in the middle, just when we started this, that EMSC had it at a 5.7, upgraded that, downgraded that to a 5.5, downgraded that to a 5.3, but they had a 5.7 on their page. GFC's got it at a 5.5 near the East Coast of Honshu, Japan at 6.2 miles in depth. All right, now EMSC, I just closed them. Let me reopen them. I wanted to make sure they were going to keep it where it was at. After all, they did have it at 3 things. They still now have it as a 5.3. All right, they've got a 5.3 near the East Coast of Honshu, Japan. They've got it 60 miles southeast of Takahagi, Japan. Now, the reason they started this off with a 5.7 is because Australia had it at 5.7. They didn't bother to wait and check it. I'm sorry. They've been known to do that. Let me go to USGS. USGS said this was. Let me refresh them, make sure they're staying there. Yes, they did. Has it at a 5.3. They've got it 6 miles in depth. They've got it 66 miles southeast to Takahagi. Hey, Kobe. I loved your little video with you and the puppy taking a walk at sunset. All right, guys. You'll have all links in there. I'm not. The reason I give you all links, and please understand, all right, USGS is not always, you know, they're not gods. Okay, EMSC, other earthquake centers have it at different magnitudes for the same quake. Like I said, no earthquake center, in my opinion, and it's just my opinion, nobody else's, can read it right. I mean, look at EMSC, a 5.7, a 5.5, a 5.3. GFC's got it at a 5.5. The last earthquake there in New Zealand. Okay, GeoNet New Zealand had it at a 5.8. Everybody else was a 5.1. Anyway, enough of my lectures. I apologize for voicing that opinion. That's why you get different earthquake centers, okay? Educational purposes only, adults only. Educational purposes only, adults only. Okay, guys, we're going to copy. I forgot to find out how close the closest volcano was, 197. Let me go ahead and do that for you. Come on. 197. Closest volcano is 22 miles away. It is green, it is normal, it is dormant. Equals 122 miles away. Color code green, normal, dormant. All right. Epicenter, yes, 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 yes. The bottom of all these leaks underneath, disaster alert. You're going to have Japan's earthquake link. Now, it has a whole list of earthquakes, but it'll show what they say this was, and they're saying this was a 5.6. All right. I'm going to YouTube, guys. I'm going to paste these notes into the description box. I'll close all earthquake centers down and reopen just USGS and EMSC again, so you guys can see where it happened. Paste. Go. All right, I am now out of closing all earthquake centers down. All right. I'm going to go to USGS first, all right? I'm glad. The puppy looked happy running. All right. USGS said there was a 5.3 near the East Coast of Honshu, Japan. All right. I just refreshed it, opened it. They've got it 66 miles east-southeast of Takahagi, Japan. All right. Now let's go to EMSC. Open them up. And ding ding. Let's see what that was. Okay. EMSC has it at a 5.3, but they had it at a 5.7, a 5.5, and now a 5.3. They've got it at 20 kilometers, which is 19 miles. Wait, no. They changed the kilometers too because they had it at 40 kilometers. They got it at 20 kilometers in depth, guys. All right, let's see if they change the location. 63 miles east of Takahagi, Japan. All right, guys. I am going to go call it quits. I still got to give my husband his meds. I already fixed his breakfast and burnt it. It's been a bad morning. God bless. Be safe. Sending you guys much love. Kobe, keep up the walks with the puppy, sweetie, okay? 2 thumbs up. Have a great one.